Hello students, good morning. We are going to start chapter 14, the World War 1940 to 1945, 1914 to 1945. Today our topic is the Second World War. The Second World War was many times more destructive than the first. It started on 1st September 1939 and lasted 6 years. Like the First World War, this was also fought between two blocs, the Allied powers and Axis powers. Almost 70% people lost their lives. What caused the war? What caused the war? You have read that Germany was made to pay a very heavy price for its role in the First World War. This almost ruined this almost ruined the Germany economy. The Germans were very angry. They began to support Adolf Hitler, the leader of Nazi party. Hitler promised to restore the glory of Germany. He began to strengthen. He began to strengthen military to expand the German Empire. The rising military might of Germany alarmed the other European powers. Britain and France decided to take a combined stand against Hitler when Hitler attacked Poland with a desire to annex it. Britain and France declared war on Germany. Soon, other countries in Europe joined either of the two warring parties. Thus began the Second World War. How was war fought? The war was fought on land, air, and water. Poison gas was used on soldiers and civilians alike. There were air raids and bombs were dropped on cities. Many cities are erased to ground. Warship and submarine were used by both sides to gain advantage at sea. Hitler held the Jews responsible for Germany's misfortune. He had them sent to labor or concentration camp. The conditions in these camps were inhuman. The Jews were tortured. The Jews were tortured. It is estimated that more than 6 million Jews died in these camps. This event is known as Holocaust. The war was spread to the Pacific region. Japan won major victories here. On 7th December 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, America's naval base in Hawaii. This led USA to join the war on side to Allied powers. When did the war end? Germany had the upper hand in the war till mid 1942. After this, the Allied powers recovered and dealt a crushing defeat to Germany and Japan. By the beginning of 1945, Hitler knew that he could not win. He committed suicide in April. On 7th May 1945, Germany surrendered. Japan, however, continued to fight in the Pacific region. In August, the USA dropped atom bombs on two Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. This forced Japan to surrender, beginning the war to an end. Efforts to set up a peace organization had begun during the war itself. On 24th October 1945, the United Nations was formed. You will read about it in lesson 9. Thank you. Have a nice day.